That's the match that is coming up. Eagle Nashik Titans versus the Chhatrapati Sambhaji Kings. Eagle Nashik Titans have won the toss. They will be bowling first. Let's have a look at the playing 11s of both the teams. Eagle Nashik Titans, Mandar Bhandari and Arshin Kulkarni. They are in very good form. Rohit Hadke and Ranjit Nigam did the job for the team yesterday. Let's have a look at the CSK, Chhatrapati Sambhaji Kings. Saurabh Navle, he's the wicket keeper. Murtuza Trankwala, the opening batter, captain, and he'll be leading the team. Let's see how he leads the side today. Saurabh Navle opening batting करने आएंगे और सौरभ एक अच्छे विकेट कीपर भी है. Murtuza Trankwala needs a few runs under his kitty there. Mukesh Chaudhary.
3, 2, 1, let's begin.
या संध्याकाळचा आनंद लुटूया. First ball, nicely played off his pads. A good way to.
Clean ball, the inside edge.
Kuala needs to get off and get off to a good start. Needs to chip in with the bat, but not to happen today. Inside edge, plays it on to the stumps, and that's an early breakthrough that Mukesh Chaudhary gives to the Eagle Nashik Titans. Murtuza Trankwala out on 0, 1 for 1 RCS. Third ball wicket for Mukesh Chaudhary. Onkar Khatpe. What a knock that he played. Short ball and it gets the deserved treatment. Full to listen to these anecdotes, and that's a shot. Oh, Onkar Khatpe.
And then suddenly you got to make that change.
This time in the gap. We've seen two stylish cover drives. Once again, beautifully hit. One of the most beautiful sights in cricket.
तभी दिखता है कि फॉर्म में है. हवा में गेंद बिल्कुल यहाँ पर टॉप एज और गॉन.
Towards third man. But just rolling the wrist. That's why you couldn't execute the shot that you were looking for. Saurabh Navle goes back to the pavilion after scoring 21, 36 for 2.
Over to go. Digvijay Patil, the youngster, the teenager.
He could really bowl quickly, but this time drifting down the leg side, no problem for Khatpe.
इस बार बड़ा शॉट, 6 रन मिलेंगे.
But that's a lovely shot. The use of the feet was very good. जो आगे का पैर था batsman ने. Should have learned that by now. That's close and that's gone. Digvijay Patil was right in front of the wickets. Good decision by the umpire. Well done, Prashant Solanki. That's an important. Score some runs and take his team to a big total. Gone for 11, 61 for 3.
Again, gaze the call. Chance for the fielder. Good attempt, but in the attempt of taking a catch, that'll be 4 runs.
We're talking about batsmen being in double mind. This time in there. Well taken. Well bowled. Exactly what we've been talking about. Have a big heart. Let them go after you. This is a big ground. You will get wickets. And he has a problem there. Onkar Khatpe gone for 31. 6
Spin. And here also nicely tossed. Oh, not the best of fielding efforts. And that will be a boundary for the left hand.
ये keeper सब batsman को उंगली क्यों करते हैं? I'll come back to that in a bit, but could this be the third for the skipper, Prashant Solanki? Literally time it as he would have liked. Bottom half of the bat, but still had enough power to get it across the boundary line. Or
इसे निखिल ने बात की. ये बड़ा शॉट था और सीधा लॉन्ग ऑफ पर 6 रन के लिए सौरभ सिंह.
Test match cricket, one days T20 makes a world of a difference. Home delivery going.
लेग स्पिन थी. आज बढ़िया गेंदबाजी, लेंथ भी बहुत बढ़िया है और बाउंड्री भी काफी लंबी है यहाँ पर. और ये तीसरी विकेट कप्तान प्रशांत सोलंकी की. वो वेरिएशन में बिल्कुल सौरभ सिंह 18 रन करके पैवेलियन में.
Full toss, and that's in the air. fielder under it.
हर जगह पहुंच जाते हैं, अच्छा भागते हैं, एंटी स्पिन बढ़िया कर 16 रन बना के पेविलियन में 103 पर 6.
The big sixes. But still a long way.
Yes, absolutely right. And this one, big flourish. That's a 6. What a shot. Oh, full toss. Oh, lucky edge. And that's a boundary. CSK can gain shot outside the off stump. And that's a 6. What a shot.
He did look good. Oh, in the air. Effort ball from Kulkarni. We were just talking about on the back foot. Effort ball, and these pitches are such that if you bowl an effort ball, you will get a purchase. Kulkarni, that is. Rajwardhan gone for 23, 131 for 7. In the air again. Full toss. In the tree, when he comes on to bowl, he'll have that cushion.
Yes, yet another full toss. And this time, Shams Qazi waited for it, went back a bit and took full toll on it. Deposited it in the cow corner, reading the green signal to it. Another full toss. This time, again dispatched over the fence. This time.
What the captain has done. In the air, straight into the fielder's hands. Another wicket for Arshin Kulkarni. Shams Qazi gone for 16, 158 for 8.
Oh, he's been given out. The third umpire was not called into serve.
And another wicket gone. Digvijay Jadhav gone for 13, 159 for 9.
Again a shortish delivery, uppercut, and we'll get full value for that. The boundary, a much needed.
It was a mistake.
And he's come back well in the block hole, looking for a second. Very good effort. That's the batting card for the CSK. Nawale made 21. Cut pick. The bowling effort from Eagle Nashik Titans. Arshin bowled well. Digvijay went for runs in his final over. And they are 20 overs. And we'll be back shortly with the reply from Eagle Nashik Titans.
Strikers end. And it's Mandar Bhandari who's striking at 156.96.5. The best of 117 last year that propelled him to the IPL.
Of course, Arshin, both of them, the strike rate that they bat against, it's incredible.
There you go. First ball. What a shot. As Nikhil Bhai, you mentioned, fasten your seatbelts. Picks it up on the leg side. Fielder. There was a chance. This might be a wicket. Straight up, two fielders converging. The wicket keeper gives the call. Had to be his catch.
बैट्समैन जिस तरीके से पिछले मुकाबले में उन्होंने रन बनाए, बैट का फेस थोड़ा सा जल्दी बंद कर दिया था. Hence the leading edge, but a good catch there by Saurabh. Never easy. Yeah, good catch. Mandar Bhandari departs for 9, 11 for 1.
Back Pranay Singh. Arshin Kulkarni this time flicks on, nicely done. Field that shot fine. Rajwardhan Angarkekar had no chance.
Obviously, he's looking to get a wicket. And gets it. And gets the danger man, Arshin Kulkarni. This has been good captaincy. He was given his third over for a reason. And Pranay Singh delivers.
Big fish of Arshin Kulkarni. He scored 10, 21 for 2 ENDs. Needs to finish this well. Short ball in the air, and yes, he picks up a wicket. Completely in control with his accurate left arm spin. As we say that, a short ball nicely piercing that gap is Rohit Hadke. There was a short third.
Yes, all credit to the CSK bowlers. They've bowled brilliantly. Their fielders have supported them brilliantly as well. Trying to his bowlers pretty well. Field positions have been ENT is 47 for 4, 13.
Of this chase at all. And down the ground. What's it going to be? Oh! Very good effort there. Good team effort.
That's okay. Ah, no. He got late. He got late.
In this over. Again this time. Up, and away. Second six in the over. Yes, sir. Again the grunt. This time takes a wicket.
In the air, fielder there will not be able to reach.
Might have been spot on. Nicely timed, and we'll get another boundary there. This time coming your way. Clean ball. That's what you want to see. Looking to scare the batsman with some.
That is where Dhanraj Shinde will have to walk back. Scored 11 in 7 balls. Eagle Nashik Titans are 92 for 6.
The fighter. Previous to that delivery, the bouncer forced Shinde to be waiting for another bouncer, surprised him with an accurate Yorker.
Anand Tenge, a full toss, high up in the air. Should be taken, is taken. Another wicket falls. Digvijay Deshmukh will have to last. In the air. Easy as they come. Hitesh Walunj takes that catch.
कप्तान सोलंकी 0 पे आउट, 94 पे 8.
Oh, nicely done. Ranjit Nikam knew that this is going to be the length. He's going to try the Yorker.
You can read those plays and the anticipation as well. इस बारी स्लोअर बॉल को पड़ा और एक बड़ा विशाल छक्का जड़ा.
In the air, but the third man was inside the 30-yard circle. He'll ensure that it doesn't go to the boundary. A run-out chance inside the 30-yard circle, but chased it keeper. Collects it. Is the ball in the gloves? Hari Sawant run out on 5. 100
खाते में आएंगी.
in the air, taken. Anand Tenge takes that catch. Shams Qazi picks up a wicket. And once again, our Combox expert predictor gets it right. He says, yes, an off spinner looking for that wicket. But what a win this is. Chhatrapati Sambhaji Kings win this match by 47 runs. A clinical performance. First with the bat. Then excellent. Rajwardhan Hungerkekers 23 turned out to be very crucial in the end because that strike rate helped them go past that 160 run mark. But Prashant Solanki was very good with his leg spin.